Hey everybody, it's Christy with Smoky Mountain Faith Food and Fun, and I've got another cabin tour for you. Today we're going to be touring Pappa Bear Splash, a 3-bedroom luxury newly built cabin in Sevierville with a pool. Stay tuned. As you enter Pappa Bear Splash, you've got a cute little bear to greet you and a national park sign to let you know when you're in the right place. As you come inside, you're greeted with a beautiful kitchen, dining, and living space all in one. The dining table seats 6 and your kitchen is fully equipped. The elegant and comfortable living furnishing will have you wanting to stay forever in your little cabin in the woods. Cooking on vacation will be a pleasure in your fully equipped kitchen that has a blender, a knife block, coffee pot, toaster, can opener, stove, refrigerator, and microwave. After you've had a great meal, relax on the furniture and watch your favorite TV shows on the 60-inch television. Just off the living room and great room, you're going to find a covered deck with wicker furniture, a fireplace. It is the perfect place to cozy up, have great conversation, and enjoy that Smoky Mountain air. You'll also find a gas barbecue grill for all of your grilling needs to make steaks, burgers, hot dogs, and enjoy the view. On the main level, you will find a master suite that has a king-size bed and 2 touch lamps, as well as a 55-inch television. Attached to the main 4-bedroom suite, you're going to find a full bath that has a tub and shower combo, and it also has a door out to the main living area so that you can share the bath with the living space. Head up the stairs to the 2nd level where there are 2 more master suites. As you step to the left, you're going to enter the 1st master suite with a large king-size bed, large windows with views of the mountains and the woods, a door to the patio, a 55-inch TV, and everything you need for a comfortable night's sleep. Attached to this bedroom is, of course, an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower, single vanity, and of course, you've got your Smoky Mountain bear decorations on the wall. The 3rd bedroom in Pappa Bear Splash has an ensuite bathroom, 55-inch TV, and everything you need for a good night's sleep while on your Smoky Mountain vacation. The third bathroom in Pappa Bear Splash has a walk-in shower with beautiful tile and a bench for sitting. Just outside both bedrooms on the upper level, you're going to find a beautiful open deck with wicker chairs where you can enjoy a partial mountain view of the Smokies. Travel downstairs to the game room where you will find a oak barrel multicade that has all of your favorite games from the 1980s, as well as a Pandora box multicade with some more modern games, a large 65-inch TV, and a custom-made bar. And there's the pool. The bar is a custom-made live edge bar with bear design epoxy inlay. Isn't that beautiful? You're going to love being in the woods while you hang out on your covered deck with wicker furniture and just enjoy the peaceful feeling of the trees all around you. When you've had a long and busy day, there is nothing like soaking away in a bubbling hot tub surrounded by trees in the Smokies. And last but not least, Pappa Bear Splash wouldn't be Pappa Bear Splash without an awesome pool. You can relax in the chairs or take a dip in the pool and enjoy the best vacation ever. Thank you so much for joining us on Smoky Mountain Faith, Food, and Fun for this tour of Pappa Bear Splash. It is a 3-bedroom cabin that sleeps 8, and we will leave the rental information down below in the comment box. And we hope that if you liked this video, you will give us a big old thumbs up and like this video, subscribe to Smoky Mountain Faith, Food, and Fun, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified when we post a video. God bless you. We love you and have a wonderful day.